Good day, Divergence traders. I just, was watching this action right here. I was watching it going up and going, where do I get in? Whatever. And then I'm watching it pull back here. I'm going, still watching it. See, watching it, watching it. So anyway, I wanted to buy. Let me come back in the middle here. I thought I heard some talking there. I was thinking, do I still have one of my fucking YouTube videos open? I think I shut it. Um, so anyway, I was looking to buy a dip right here. And then I said, and then I seen it just starting to come down. I go, oh. I go, if it breaks 600, excuse me, and comes down here, then I'm not doing the buy trade. Okay? And then look what happened. Then it closes down here. This is a 2-minute chart. Okay? I just want to show you how quick I had to go from one extreme to the other, but I didn't. I did, but right here, once it came down to about here, that's when I saw it. I went, oh shit. I could have been in this trade short and it was a nice win right here, right? Let me show you the trade. Fuck. What can you do when you live in a shoe? The price and everything moving fast, it's hard to move with it and to look for the setup. Go from, oh, no, I'm not going to buy that dip. Oh, I should sell, right? And look at how fast it come right back up here again. And look at how fast it came down here. Over 50 points in less than 4 minutes. This is a 2-minute chart. You know what I mean? So anyway, here was the trade. Right there. Somewhere in there. Okay, let me put the arrows on this baby. Yeah, so there was a sell there. There was divergence. And I drew this out also before this broke up here and changed direction. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. See this here? Change direction. Oh, getting pain in my fucking hand again. Fucking thing won't get better. Oh, fuck. So, I never jumped in this trade because I said to myself, they're doing a lot of fucking fake outs, man. They won't stop fucking doing fake outs. And then they go after your liquidity. They get you to buy, then people put their stop down here. They know where you put your stop and they come and they get you. They fucking get you. Yeah. So anyway, you see what happened here? How I so closely watch every move, every bend of the moving averages, every little fucking knickknack on the way up, on the way down. This is the way down. Okay, we had a high and a higher high over here. There was no divergence because this right side of the OSMA needs to be less than the left side. Always. Okay? So that's why that didn't happen. So here I am in here. I'm bullish. These two big candles, right? I'm bullish. That's why I was looking to buy the dip. And then so quickly, once this came and closed down below the 600, right? Oh yeah, they're going to fucking toast it now. They're going to crash it down. Hopefully not like yesterday. Well, you can try a trade, but it's tricky. So anyway, I was bullish. I had to change to bearish. And when I changed to bearish, I did not see the hidden divergence setup. Okay? I missed it. I drew that a little too far. I think it's like right there. And yeah, it needs to come from there. There, that lines up. From there to there. And there to there. Okay. But you see, that was another winner. And then we had a what here? We had a higher close, candle right here, kissing the 5 saying, sell, baby, sell. This is your second and last chance to sell at a better price. Do it. Do it now. I didn't fucking do it. And because all these scenarios happened right here, I said, oh, let me go and show them how I do this. And I quickly, you know, I turned on my, you know, my Camtasia machine thing, software, and started recording, and I started the video because I wanted to show you how quickly it changes and how you can't get married to fucking trades. You just can't. Because it changes direction 80% of the time, and maybe even less than 20%, it trends. Okay? So it's like you gotta think with what's going on in your chart so quickly. You can't just go, oh, I'm going to buy it up here. Yeah, it's going to keep going back up because it came back so much yesterday, went down so much. That doesn't mean anything. That was yesterday. That's in the past. Turn the page. You gotta turn the page all the time. You see, you gotta go thinking for, oh, bearish, bearish. Oh, I gotta sell, I gotta sell. And because your mind is telling you bearish, bearish is gonna go down, right? You sell down here, and what happens? They quickly take it up here and fuck you. And then up here, everybody's thinking bullish, bullish now, right? And they're thinking, oh, I got to buy up here. And what do? They take it way fucking down here. Why? Because they have all the longs trapped in here. They had all the sellers trapped in here. Okay? You got to move quickly and adapt with the movement of the market, or you will not survive. And do I do this with perfect accuracy every time? No. I get caught too on the wrong, you know, when it, I get caught also when it, you know, it right after I get in, not much longer, a minute or two, because these candles are 2 minutes long, I get caught. I get screwed. That's why I always try and get out before it changes direction. Oh, see, they're dumping it now. Look at it go down. Yeah, that's it. You know, that's it. So that last hidden divergence trade, right here, enter right here. Oh, it would have been good. Oh, it would have been good. There's 50 points there. It's like 80 points. There's like 100 points. Fuck, 100 points right there almost in that move. Okay. I showed and expressed what I've been trying, like I've been telling you guys for weeks and weeks. Sometimes I stumble on my words. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm 60 years old and I have some memory problems, but I try my best to say what I need to say to you guys, and hopefully you'll grasp it and do it. Like, because this market is so dynamic, it's always moving, it's always changing direction. You got to basically follow the near-term price. Like right now, I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking right here. I'm absorbing all the information, okay? Even though I don't think I'm going to do another trade today. I did really good. I got about 80 ticks or points or whatever you want to call them today. So I'm probably done for now anyway. Maybe I'll try and find a trade later today. So that's what happened just now, you know? We grinded down. We did our chop at the open. We grinded down, grinded down, grinded down. And we have low and lower lows going all the way down. And I drew it on here. It's not the best on the OSMA. You know, it's almost basically flat. Like it's straight across. But I had to put a little curve up in it, you know, a little bend up. You know me, I like to tweak it a little bit because I know nothing's fucking perfect. And if you try and trade every setup and it has to be absolute perfect, well, you're going to miss a lot of good trades. That's why sometimes you got to tweak it, take a chance, jump in, and grab that money before it turns and changes direction. Just need a little aqua. Okay, so let's bring on in my favorite charts. The MetaTrader 4. Sorry, see my brain. I'm trying to grab the fucking thing with my mouse, and I'm trying to talk to you at the same time. I'm not a good multitasker, okay? Never was. When I used to work in the factories, they put me on this machine. They called it the four-banger. Why do they call it the four-banger? Like a four-cylinder engine car? Because the fucking thing pumped out 4 parts for seats. I worked at Lear Seating. It pumped out 4 fucking parts all at once. Holy fuck. It took me like 3 months just to learn how to stay like ahead of it. Because you had to load the fucking steel in, and then it made the part, then you had to take it out and pack it, and oh fuck. 4 parts at a time. Crazy. Fucking factory. Oh yeah, factories. Okay, that's gold. Where was it? It was right here. Yeah. Okay. There's a hook down right there. But we'll get to that. We'll get to that. Let's go look at NASDAQ. Ooh, a little scratchy. Looks like a cat scratched down the chart. How far will they push it down today? Let's see on the hourly. Oh, okay. We're almost at the low of the support, the main support of yesterday. Well, of today, of late, in the Asia session, whatever. Okay. I wonder if we're going to push to new lows here today. I don't know. I'm thinking we probably will. But you never know. Okay, so up here, did we have a trade? Yeah, we had a trade. We had to draw it from way over here, right up to that wick up there. See the little blue doodah down here? Yeah. It's all part of the setup. Right there. You would have entered right in there. Right on the opening of this candle. Short. I did a trade in here also. I shorted. Anyway. I did it at the right time. Right here I did it. Boom. And it went down, and I closed it like with 25 points. That was one of the trades I did today. Okay, so anyway, there it is. That is the higher high divergence, and you see how it's pointing down on the OSMA to the blue little doodah there. That means the price was going to go down. So from here to here, it went down 95 points. Okay, so you had opportunity because it was like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes it took to venture down here, okay? And then they did their little, oh, I'm going to catch you with your pants down move here. But you can also look at it as a hook down, okay? Problem is they took it down so fast where you'd have to jump in on mid-flight down somewhere. Once it came and broke here on a smaller time frame where I told you that hidden divergence was, it was right here on the 2-minute. That's where you'd have needed to sell it, and down it went. Oh, look. See how crazy hairball fucking crazy this market is. Oh, let's take it down. No. Let's take it up. Fuck, man. Come on. You fuckers. You fucking manipulative control freak fuckers. That's what's going on in these markets. I'm telling you, like, you can just tell. It's not volume, man. It's not fucking volume. Jesus Christ. I believe some little guy with a mustache, he's moving and he's on his chart like this, and he just pulls the mouse down and boom, there it is. There it stops there. And then the next one, oh, back up. Yeah, okay. Boom. Next one, all right, up there. Boom. You know how many pieces? You know how many people will disagree with me, what I'm saying here? That I do not believe these markets run on volume. They don't believe me. They have their ladder there, dome, whatever it's called, Tom Dom, Long Don, Tom Dong. Yeah, it's like, fuck, man. Come on, look at it. It has to be. And it's even more manipulated and controlled today than it was like even just 4 years ago, 5 years ago. You know how slow it used to move back then, just 5 years ago? It didn't move like this. Let me tell you, it did not move like this. Anyway, this is the S and the P. Look, I'm drawing this divergence from the exact same points as I just did on the NASDAQ. See? Right here, same candle entry, everything. Everything right there, man, the same. See that? How can that be the same? It should be different, right? If they really, really want to trick us, you would think they would do something different on another instrument. Not an instrument, guitar instrument, but on these fucking markets. They could hide it better, you know, but they don't care. No, they don't care. They do the same thing, same chart. They don't care. They just love to rub it in our face. They do. Okay, let's get back to this. Right here. See, same. See, look, let's go to the NASDAQ. See? Look at that. S&P. See? Same candles where I mark the hook down and the entry for the divergence higher highs up here. It's fucking, you know how I feel about it. Let's look at the Dow now. Oh, look. We had a trade on this too, and it's very similar to what I just showed you, but it's even longer. There's no law in my book that says I need to draw it from here up here. There's no law, because then it wouldn't be divergent, because this side is bigger than this side. So we draw it from here, because then, see, it's divergent. If we drew it from here to here, it wouldn't be divergent. See what I mean, Jelly Bean? And the entry was right there. Same fucking candles, the other two markets I just showed you, with this same setup. And this one was good for 254 points to the bottom. What do we have along the way in the journey, along the way, down we go? We have a higher close, sell it, down it goes. What do we have here? We have another higher close, candle, sell it, and down it goes. So I just want to point out to make, like for sure I want you to understand what I'm showing here. You know, I say it all the time. I say lower close, higher close. There's people, they don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Well, let's make it a little clearer. Okay, so right here, see this? We're in an uptrend. So rule number one, when we're in an uptrend and the 5 is above the 7, that means we can only do buy trade setups because the 5 is above the 7. So if you would have bought it here, it would have worked for you. Okay? Now, on the way after it, we got the main I call this the main formation from the top. It's telling you something up here, okay? This divergence. It's telling you that we're going to sell off and go way down, and that's exactly what it did, and there was the entry point right there, okay? And then what I want to tell you is in a downtrend, when the 5 is below the 7, over here it was above the 7, so we could only buy. Over here, it's below the 7. So we can only look for sell trade setups, right? So right here is a higher closing candle. And once this next candle opens or this one closes, they both do that at the same time. Okay, that's where you would sell it right there, and down it goes. And then again, we have another higher close candle, which I call a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And you know why it works so well? Because, I don't know what you'd say, just good traders, professional traders, just traders in general, are always trying to get in at the best price. So if we sold down here, would that be the best price? No, it would be up here after it came back up. But what's so scary and spooks people is that a big candle comes right back up here, and they're like going, oh my God, oh, I can't sell, I can't sell. Because they fear in their mind, and because their mind is wired to be in fear and not to sell it here at the better price. Okay? That's why. And that's why a lot of people will hesitate to jump in the trade. Sometimes it just starts going and you don't get in and you miss the entry. Just like earlier, I missed that sell side divergence trade on the NASDAQ, and it is what it is, because I was so concentrating on the bullish. The market's bullish. But no, it's just about to turn bearish. That's how they trick you. They get you thinking that it's going up, and then they take it down. They get you to think that it's going to go down, and they take it right fucking back up. Sorry, I'm not yelling at you or freaking at you. I just get so pissed of their fucking game that they play on these charts. And I swear to you, it's not volume. It's some fucking guy with a little mustache. Yeah. He's going, I'm going to trick you. I'm going to get you and I'm going to trick you. That's what he's saying. And that's what they do every day, at least 100 fucking times. Okay, that is the Dow. Okay. Oh, look right here. What do we have here? We have a hook down. Okay. If that closes down here somewhere. But would you do the trade? I wouldn't do the trade. You know why? Because up here is the top of the range. Right in here is the mid-range. And down here is the lower, the lower range. And you don't want to sell near the low. You want to buy near the low. You want to sell. The sell was up here near the high. That's where the sell is. When it changed direction and the 5 came down and it's below the 7, and the price came down and it's below the 2 moving averages, and then you want to sell it and down it goes. Woo! I'm talking too fast today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that, folks. At least the aluminum's is off to the side. Maybe he's taking a nap now. The aluminum in my fucking brain today. Because I'm moving pretty good. I'm probably in a good mood because I did good trading today. So I was very cautious and very precise of the trades I took. I saw a whole bunch of setups and I didn't take them. I said, no, it's probably this is probably the sell fake, or this is probably a buy fake. And I was right, like on most of them. It's worse than ever. They're always trying to fake you, then they're always trying to go after and hunt your stop. That's what they constantly do today. And it's 10 times worse than it was just 2 or 3 years ago. It's 10 times worse. Like I've said before, fuck around. Soon the people won't be around for you to take their money. Because you tricked them into the wrong side and took it the other way. Yeah, that's what I say. I know the big kahuna fucking guys, whoever's doing this and controlling this market, whoever you are, I know they're not listening, but I tell the truth, man. I'm a very honest guy. That's what's happening in the market all day, every day. Let's go look at the pound dollar. Okay, well, we have a double top here, right at that pivot level. But I won't draw it like that because that doesn't make sense. Like this. Sell right in there. Down it goes. There's a hook down right here. Right there. And down it went. Another 2 winning trades. Euro? What did the euro tell us? Not too much. Not going to draw divergence all the way up here like this. I'm just not. Look at that. It blew all that time, eh? Yeah, it's on the 15-minute. Spit on you, euro. Pound dollar. Oh, whoa. Pound yen. It's pound yen. We have a, we got to mark this one in. Double top. Or higher high, whichever. I think it's a double top. It just clinged on to something, that fucking line. But look at this. See how that stands out big time at you? See that? That's perfect. Sell right here. Didn't go down yet. Euro yen. Are we on the 15? Yeah, here's the 15. Yeah, we have divergence. From way over here. Oh, I'm going to start yawning now. Double bottom. And you would have got in here in the Asia, and if you would have held it all the way up here, well, you know what happened. You made some good coinage, you know. Oh, no, not really. It only went up 32 fucking pips. Fucking euro yen. You're a sorry ass essay. Sorry ass motherfucker today. Okay, let's look at this here. Crude. Oh, look at crude, eh? Up and down, just like the fucking S&P yesterday. All blue candles up and red. But it was down and up on the S&P yesterday. Okay. We got a double bottom. And it went up 60, 70 points. And up here, was there divergence to sell it down? No, there wasn't. But there was a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And right there too. 2 higher close candles and sell it, and you would have made money, especially on this one. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Beautiful. There's a higher close candle right here, but it's too far from the 5. You want them to be very close to the 5. See this one? Very close to the 5. The closer to the 5 that it closes, the better. Okay? Yeah, so there's the oil. What is gold telling us today? Oh yeah, just one big sell-off, eh? Yeah. 15-minute. Yeah. We have a high and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? Right there, like that. I think today's Thursday, eh? Yeah, we still have another day to wrestle these markets tomorrow. That was a good trade. Here's a higher close candle, sell, and it did work, but I wouldn't do it. Why? Because it's at the bottom of the range. Here's the top of the range, and we did the sell, and that was good because it was done from the top of the range. You want to sell near the top. You want to sell near the top, but not at the top. You want to buy near the bottom, but not at the bottom. Okay? That's the trick to trading. If they take a market way up, you can bet your booties they'll take it right back down. They'll take it down eventually. Or if they take it way down, then they'll take it back up. Unless there's a long trending day, which only happens maybe 10% of the time. But turning corners, 80%, 90% of the time. That's why it's so hard to trade these markets. They trick you into thinking bullish, and then they fuck you and take it down bearish. They do it over and over again. It's not funny. It's awful. But what can we do? They got to trick us to make money from us, right? They can't just let us know, okay, just get in here, sell here, or buy there, and you'll be rich by next week. Next week on Friday, you'll be rich. Okay? Yeah, they ain't going to do that, let me tell you. No, there's thousands and thousands of new people that come to these markets. They get laid off, or they quit their job, or they couldn't handle the boss, or whatever, right? And they come to these markets and they're hoping to make money, and most of them lose, unfortunately. Most of them lose. And that's how some people get rich, and a lot of people just go poorer. Get poorer. That's not a word. They lose money. That's it. Okay, let's look at the crypto now. Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Should come down. A little bit of a correction, but it's still above 100K. Like $100,446.74. And what about XRP? Is it coming down? Oh, a little bit. Yeah, they're just accumulating right now, what they say, They're buying in at a better price. And they're buying the coins. Okay? The real coins. That have been mined in Bitcoin, okay? So they're not trading on margin. That's why they created these ETFs. Okay? So they're not trading on margin, ladies and gentlemen. And if she goes way up there, yeah. Oh, that was XRP. I meant the Bitcoin. They're mining the coins and they're buying the coins. They're not XRP too, they're not mining these coins. They're just created out of the thin air. Yeah, out of the digital air up there. And that's what happened with that. And then there's silver. Oh, they dumping silver today, 28.80. Yeah, maybe that's it for the silver. They've been stomping on silver for fucking decades, man. Like for the last 50 years. They've been keeping the price on silver very low. It's a very, very wide used metal all over the world. Like they got, they're conducting connections with silver and gold. A lot of silver is made into the products that we consume every day. So, but they've been keeping the price down for there's a rotten reason behind it. I know that. Just like they say, Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. There's something strange about that too. But anyway, it is what it is. So that's silver. And here's Ethereum. Oh, they're stomping on Ethereum. And the Japanese. Oh, look at look at that fucking big boner to the upside. The blue boner. Yeah, that candle got the blue boner. Too funny. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show today. I hope, I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening. And if you like the show, please hit the like button. Um, if you really like it, just subscribe if you'd like to, and come back tomorrow, and we'll go over the charts again, and I'll share some of my trading knowledge with you guys, what I believe in and what I've seen over the past 23 plus years. Yeah, it's like 23 and a half years now. In May, it'll be 24 years since I've been at this game, this wonderful game. Okay, so if you trade this afternoon, be careful, especially on NASDAQ. It's doing so many fake outs, it's not fucking funny. Okay, that's it. That's all. Good luck and good trading.